Hello everyone. In the last video we have created the button. Now in this video we are going to create one EditText. Let's create one EditText. Let's open the Android Studio. So this is the last project we have created. Now we are going to create one EditText. Let's move to the activity main XML file over there. Now after the button I will take one EditText over here. Let's change one EditText and the width I am setting here as match parent and the height I am setting as wrap content and I have specified the constraint. First I will specify the horizontal constraint which is start to start of parent, and I need below the my button, and I will pass here top to bottom of my button which is login button. As you can see, move towards here, and I will also pass margin top, or I will pass first the constraint end to end of horizontal constraint end to end of parent, and I will also pass the margin top. Margin top I am taking it as 10 dp. As you can see, now I can give it some hint. I am giving it as enter name. As you can see, this is the hint I am giving it. Let's extract the string resource. Alt plus enter. Extract string resource. Click OK and give it some ID. ID I am giving it as name et. Okay, this is ID I am giving it name et. Okay, let's specify the input type. Input type we are getting as font, text, multi-line text, password. I am here setting here is text, and let's close this edit text. So let's first change it to app compact edit text over here. Okay, now I will move to our main activity file over here. Now I will main on our main activity file, I will initialize the edit text, late init edit text of our type edit text, and let's initialize it over here. Edit text is initialized to find view by id r.id.name et. Now on the click of the button, I am going to display it. Display the toast message. First, let's comment it. For commenting it, press Control Shift plus Control Shift and right slash, and it will become comment. So after clicking on the button, I will print one toast message by the text which I have entered on the edit text. Let's print button dot set on click listener, and here I will print one toast message of the text which I have entered on the edit text, and let's write it over here, and let's change the text over here. I will get the text from the edit text. Let's edit text dot text, and I will convert it to string, to string. Okay, now I'm going to run the application and check how the application performs. Now let's run the application. As you can see, the application has successfully been launched. If I enter my name over here, JG Aroda, and if I click on the login button, and I will see one toast message by the name of the text I have entered on the edit text. Okay, I can also change the attribute of our edit text. Let's move toward the activity main example file over here, and if I change the input type here to phone, Now let's rerun it. As you can see, now I can add a phone number over here. As you can see, I can add the phone numbers. Any phone number I can add. As you can see, I'm able to add the phone number. There is no fixed length of that, so I can fix the length. So for fixing the length, I will move toward our activity main of Excel file over here, and I will set the maximum length over here. Let's set the maximum length to max length, and I am setting it to 10. Okay, so I will add the phone number of maximum 10 digits. So let's rerun it. As you can see, the app has successfully been launched. Now I can only add the phone number up to the digit 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, I am able to add the phone number only up to the 10 digits. Okay, now on our next video, we are going to learn about the activity and fragments. Okay, thank you.